Hey Besh! Do you have cabbage? Gawin mo ito and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that bell and click all para lagi ka updated sa ating new videos every week. Welcome to I's No Bake Recipe. I have here 200 grams of cabbage. I-slice ko lang ito ng manipis and during this lockdown, talagang na-inspire ako to make new dishes and as much as possible, I want it healthy for my family. So this recipe today is really one of my favorite. Ibabad ko lang ito sa tubig for a few minutes. And then, i-drain lang natin ang tubig nito. So if you're up for a healthy food at umiiwas ka sa flour, then this is the best option for you. And you wouldn't feel guilty in eating this one. And I'll be adding 2 large eggs. And if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please do subscribe and click that red button below and hit that bell. And this is really so simple to make. Just add salt to taste, then mix it. So here you would know how adding 2 eggs to your cabbage could really make the best food you'll ever taste. And if I'm stressed out, depressed, or bored, I actually just divert my attention to baking. But what if we don't have an oven? I started this channel to inspire other moms out there to learn easy baking ideas without using oven. Just mix it well. Then set aside while we prepare the other ingredients. And in this recipe, you can actually choose whatever toppings you want to add. I have here sausage, but you can also replace this with ham or bacon, or tuna flakes if you want, whatever you have available in your kitchen. So here, I'll cook the sausage in water, then I'll just add a little bit of oil later. And also, I have bell pepper here. If you don't have this, you can also use white onions. Either way, it's best for our recipe today. And now it's cooking time. This is really easy. I'll just grease the pan, then I'll add the cabbage mixture. So if you're having a hard time in making dough, well, this trick is really for you. And besides, this one is really healthy. Season this with black pepper for added taste. And just cook this in a very low heat. Then using plate, turn it upside down. For a while, I just turn off the heat and spread some tomato sauce all over. Just add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and if you don't have this, just use ketchup. And then you can add the sausage, then bell pepper, and add some more cheese. I'm using grated mozzarella and a mix of ordinary cheese, and you can add as many as you want. More cheese, the better taste. Of course, you want it to be a little bit extra. You can sprinkle some dried parsley, and this is just optional. Then cover it and cook it in a very low heat until the cheese melts like this. Oh, this is really so mouth-watering. I'm sure you didn't expect you could turn cabbage into this vegan pizza. This is really time-saving, easy to prepare, no kneading needed, and healthy. So for me, it's the best recipe ever. And it's still oozing hot. And now, let's slice it and have our taste test. And I'll show you how it looks and tell you what it tastes and how's it be like using cabbage instead of dough. Well, this is like cutting a thin crust pizza, except that this is healthier and much delicious. And for sure, I wouldn't feel guilty eating a lot of these ones. And it's so mouth-watering. And you can't really tell the difference because for me, this is much flavorful than dough. So who would thought that cabbage could be this delicious? You can actually cook pizza without an oven and just by using this pan. Well, so the next time you're thinking on a delicious easy recipe to make, do this. We have a lot more of no-bake recipes in our channel that might interest you. All no-bake cakes and goodies, all easy to make, so go ahead and subscribe our channel and click that notification bell so you'll be updated to our next yummy recipe. And don't forget to share this good news to your friends. Now it's my favorite time, the taste test. Just one slice and have that perfect bite. So good. But this is much more flavorful than pizza. So perfect, and the crust really just melts in your mouth. And I so love this one. It's like having a bite-sized perfect meal just right at your fingertips. Again, my name is Ice. Thank you so much and enjoy cooking.